Alright guys, now everything is inflated here as you can see. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is Bam Bam NY Challenge here, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a balloon garland. And the color would be shades of pink with a hint of gold. The materials for this project are so now we will start off with this balloon. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same size because it's a garland, so it could be like small or big. I'd like this to be round, more rounded, so you can push your balloon like that. Tighten that. Alright guys, so I'll give you a little tip right here to make, in order for your balloon to be nice and shiny and it'll last longer during summertime if it's humid. We use this one right here, Balloon Shine. It will help your balloon stay shiny and not dull. So it will get rid of the powder as well, because as you can see, this one right here with the powder. So if you clean it with this, it'll be nice and shiny. So when it's humid, it won't change the color. It'll stay shiny. With the shine, without the shine, see the difference. Inflate the air. Alright, so after I inflate this one, I twist this here, and in order for this confetti to stick in the wall, all you need to do is some static. So I will use my hair. If you have someone with the long hair, is better. We'll add after I tie a knot right here. So I want to make sure that the air is not gonna come out. So I will add 260Q balloon. Just have to tie it here to make sure that the air is trapped. See the 260Q right here. Alright guys, we're ready to make our clusters of balloons. So we inflated this to different different sizes. So you can just attach them any sizes together. Okay, just like that. We're gonna make clusters of balloon. Alright guys, now everything is inflated here. As you can see, we have the bubble balloon or boo balloon. As I said, you just have to scrub it on your hair to look like that, okay? So we have clusters of balloons here, so all we need to do is attach them together, and eventually at the reception tomorrow, where I'm gonna attach all together, you will see how it's gonna look, okay? So just like that, attach, and then you use either 260Q or any string or balloon string. For this case, I like to use the fish string because it's clear. So you tie a knot right here. Now you're gonna make a clusters of balloon. And put another cluster here. Just like that. Okay. Guys, it's very easy. You just have to attach this like this. Hold on, I'm gonna show it to you properly. Your cluster balloon, put it on top, and then your string, tie it on your balloon here, and then one of the balloon on the bottom. Then pull it a little, like that. Okay? If you wanna do it another time, it's up to you. Just like that. So as I said, because this is a DIY, so you can do it like whatever you prefer. That's